This video shows how to replace the internal cooling fan on an ODE 3 IP66 frame size 2 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the control cover, use a Posi 2 screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws and lift the cover away. If your drive is a switched variant, you'll need to disconnect all the connections going to the terminal connector. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, remove the 4 cover screws. The torque setting is 1.5 Newton meters. The cover can now be lifted away from the heatsink. The ribbon cable also needs to be disconnected from the control board by pulling it away. Use long nose pliers to disconnect the fan from the fan connector. Remove the fan using a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the screw. The torque setting is 0.8 Newton meters. Replace the internal cooling fan using the parts supplied in the Preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.